This video will show you how you can remove your Instagram account from another device. If you've logged into someone else's phone, PC, or laptop, or any other device, but you forgot to log out from that device, then I'll show you how to remotely log out your account from another device. There are two different methods on how we can do this, and then first method is to open the Instagram app on your phone, and then go over to your Instagram profile. Once you're here, tap on the three horizontal lines in order to open the Instagram settings page. When we open the settings page, you'll want to click here on the search bar at the top of the screen, and then we'll type password. An option will appear called Change Password, and that's exactly what we want to click on. That's going to get us to this page where we will have to select the Facebook or Instagram account from which we want to log out, and I'll select this specific account right here. The thing that we have to do in order to log out is to simply change our Instagram account password. So enter in your current Instagram password, then enter a new one 2 times, and when you change the password, you will be logged out of all other devices which you are logged into with this specific Instagram account. But if you don't know your current Instagram password, or you simply want to log out from one specific device, and you don't want to log out Instagram from your PC, your MacBook, or your other devices, then don't worry, because I'll show you how to do just that without changing your Instagram password. All we have to do is to go back to the main Account Center page, then click on the Password and Security. Find this Where You're Logged In option, then select the Instagram account right here. And that's going to show us all of the different devices where we are logged in with our Instagram account. You can see that I have 2 different devices, and let's log us out from this other device which I don't recognize. Tap here, select the device, and then log out. We're now logged out of that specific device, and if you have any questions about this whole process, simply leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.